My name is Miri Lenoff, email copywriter. Last week, we spoke about Black Friday and how to be ready for this awesome event that really you can take advantage of. So right now, I want to share with you some strategies that you can use to make sure that Black Friday is an awesome event for you and your business. The first strategy is to tell your audience to lock in the lowest possible membership or course price when you sign up on Black Friday, even if the program doesn't launch. So you can say that you can enjoy this low membership price. You can be grandfathered in for really low price, maybe give them 20% off or 25% off, 30, whatever it is that is going to make sense for your business. But that way you already have people signed up for it. Before the turkey comes out, you have to be locked into this price. And that's how you're able to drive your numbers up and get started on a positive note with already members on your group or members for your course or anything like that. The second strategy is to have a bonus for someone who signs up for your program during Black Friday, even if the program doesn't start. So it's very similar, except that here you're giving them bonus other than just half off or a low cost for joining into your program. So you can say, enjoy this ultimate bonus and enjoy this family member pricing when you sign up, if you want to combine them. Or you can say, enjoy this ultimate bonus when you sign up for my course that is coming up. Those are some strategies that you can play along with. All right. Now, number 3, you can add a gift. And it's not just a bonus. It's something that you might want to give them regularly to your audience, but it can be something for free. So it's kind of like a bonus, except that this is only available for people who join in your course right now, and it can be evolving over time. So it can be anything that you want to come up with. A bonus sometimes has a lot more to do with the course. So for example, if you are putting together a course and you have weekly calls, you can say that you're going to give a bonus of an additional call or a bonus of a free Facebook group. But when you give a gift, it's more like a checklist or more like a guide or another lead magnet. So that's why they're a little bit different. So that's what strategy number 3 is, to give something else when somebody signs up on Black Friday. Now, I'm going to change completely with these strategies right now, because number 4 is to bundle up a lot of your lead magnets, blog posts, things that you've written before. And you can say that to get 10 trainings for the price of 1. Or you can say get 10 of my most sought after content that I've put out for just the price of 1. And the reason for that is that if you already have all of this created for your business, or if you already have this gifted to your audience, if you've used it before, you have a lot of information. You don't have to come up with new things. It can be checklists, guides, tracking software that you use, a list of information that you give to your clients, how to manage some of the things that you do in your business. You already have that created. So you can use that and bundle everything together for the price of 1. If you have 10 of them, that really brings in tremendous value. Okay. Now, the other thing is to avoid the discount. Instead of giving a discount, you're really increasing the value. So that will be number 5, is signing up for a 6-month program and get 3 months for free. And maybe that's going to cost you 3 months of your business, but it's going to get people in the door, and it's going to allow you to not see it as a discount, but more as an additional value that you're giving to your clients. And you're going to be able to use that for the future. So if they're already your clients, they're most likely going to be repeat customers. And maybe Black Friday and the 3 months for free that you're giving is going to reel them in. So here we go. 5 strategies that you can use on Black Friday. Lock in the lowest possible membership price when you sign up for Black Friday, if you sign up before the turkey comes out. Number 2, have a bonus when someone signs up for Black Friday. Number 3, have a special gift. And we spoke about the difference between a bonus and a special gift. Number 4, a bundle idea so that you can combine 10 trainings, 10 lead magnets, 10 content things that you already have and put them together for the price of 1. And number 5, avoid the discount and increase the value by giving some extra things to your customers when they sign up on Black Friday. Again, these are some strategies that you can employ. My name is Miri Leno. I'm an email copywriter. If you need help with this, let me know. I would love to help you. Black Friday is coming up soon, so we should get started as soon as possible. But I wanted to get this out for you because last week we spoke about getting prepared. What are some of the things that you can do to make sure that you make the most of Black Friday and Cyber Monday? If you have any questions, let me know. I would love to chat. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.